Hello everyone, my name is Ilyas Idamonje and today I would like to talk about my personal journey for CIT261 JavaScript mobile software development. Why did I take this class? So when I had my internship in Family Search, one of my friends who also was a student in BYU, Idaho, advised me to take a class because I told him that I was interested in mobile web application development. I thought that it would be interesting to learn more about mobile application development and because it is a new technology and it makes me better marketable on the today's world. What have I learned? So first of all, I would like to say that I have worked with HTML, CSS and JavaScript before, and I have some experience in that. But I was still able to brush up my HTML, CSS and JavaScript skills and learned the difference between standard web pages and the progressive web pages. I also learned more about caching and storage API and learned to use service workers to make a normal JavaScript web page into a progressive web page. So this is my final project and this is called Currency Made. It enables users to get current information on about different world currencies. And it also has a conversion simulator which enables them to convert any amount of money into different currency. And at the end it has a Bitcoin logo which, after clicking it, a new div appears, slides down, and it has Bitcoin's current buying and selling rates in US dollars. This uses couple of APIs and fetches the data from them. Why this application is a progressive application? So it is because it is made by using JavaScript programming language. It uses server workers to fetch data and deliver to the users, and it employs server-first strategy. And server-first strategy is the strategy that when user visits the website, first it tries to connect to the web server and tries to fetch the data. And if the web server is not available, then service worker tries to go and fetch the data from the cache. How can I use it? Progressive web application is a new technology, and I believe it still has a lot of has long time before it becomes very popular. Regardless of this, it enables web pages to behave more like native applications by enabling them to be installed on different operating systems. Learning a new technology will make me more marketable and will help me to find a job easier. It will also make me more competitive in the market because knowing new technology is always a plus. Thank you for listening. Bye.